Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix sage green color matte latex paint for concrete wall. If you are new to our Ideal Paint Mixing TV channel, please do press the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep updated on our next paint mixing tutorial video. Thank you! Green embodies nature in balance. Sage green color is kind of forgotten looking, peaceful, private with a touch of melancholy. Okay, let's start! Our client sample. Let's mix and match. First, we prepare 3 liters matte latex white. We will use acrycolor phthalo green, acrycolor raw sienna, and acrycolor hansa yellow for tinting. Okay, let's now put acrycolor raw sienna and acrycolor phthalo green. Let's stir the paint well to come out the color result. It's more lighter. Let's add more acrycolor phthalo green and acrycolor raw sienna. Acrycolor hansa yellow to become more brighter. Let's also add a little more acrycolor raw sienna and acrycolor phthalo green to become darker. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. It's more on yellow. Let's add more acrycolor phthalo green. It's almost the same. We just have to add a little more acrycolors. Okay, let's compare now. If the color matches on our client's sample. Yes, it's the same already. Mixing accomplished. Hope you guys enjoy our paint mixing tutorial video. If you then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.